Hello everyone and welcome back. This is Jenny from Polly's Paper Studio and you are watching my October haul from Really Reasonable Ribbon. This is my design team allotment with a few extra goodies that I picked up. I'm just gonna take these things out of the box. So the first thing I have is my Ribbon Club assortment. This is the October selection. It is top secret until the 1st, so I can't show you that. I'm not sure if everyone knows that Bonnie carries adhesives in her shop, and these are the ATG refills. They're just the standard size in the double pack. This is a really good value, you guys. Like, I'm looking out for you, and I have done some research because I want to know that this is a good price. And it's not so much fun to have to use your monies to buy adhesives because, you know, it's just more fun to have flowers and ribbon and paper, but it's just stuff you have to have. And so this is for a 2-roll pack from Really Reasonable Ribbon is $5.49. And when I looked it up, because I just wanted to know, I wanted to let you guys know the scoop. So at Amazon, this same pack, even with Prime, is $6.25. So already that's 75 cents less. At Scrapbook.com, it is $6.45. So it's still better value to get it from Bonnie. I looked at getting a quantity if it was better to buy it in bulk. So at Amazon, 4-pack of 2 rolls is going to run you $25. If you bought 4 of these from Bonnie, it will be $21.96. So that is a savings of $3 even over getting the quantity special pricing. So I mean, it just makes sense. And she's got score tape there too, and foam tabs and pop dots. So definitely check in the adhesive section because you're going to get a good value. And if you're already ordering, then you might as well include some of that. So mostly what I looked at this time was some of her new flowers. These are not new, but I needed more just because this is the fall and Halloween season. So I got the, these are mixed peach and orange cottage roses. And that's a 25 mm size. Really great variety of peachy oranges, so you're gonna get a nice selection there. That's a nice big pack. And then when I got this out, I was like, whoa, I just must have ordered the wrong thing. And then I checked and it was not wrong, but look at how many rosebuds you get. This is peach rosebuds, and they are going to be perfect in my, I'm gonna take those out of the package to show you guys. That is so loud. Jenny, please edit that out. Okay, what? Look how gorgeous those are. And they're very soft peach. Sometimes you get a peach that has a little bit of pink in it, which makes it hard to match to ribbon colors, but this is just a nice soft peach. And there's so many, like, holy Dinah, that's gonna work for a long time. I got this is mixed peach and orange. I took a couple out of here already because I was working with the Halloween project. So I took a couple of these off already, but look again with that selection is mostly ivory and then that peach, and then adding a little bit more and more orange. So that is a nice sort of ombre effect on that. And you get so many. And then I picked up the red tones as well, and I've got the yellow ones, and they were like so perfect for a project, and I just knew I wanted more when I saw them in her shop. Look how many you get. That is crazy. What a good value. So these are sort of two-tone with red and white, and then these are more of a mauve-y color, and then more into a light burgundy. So this is going to be a nice variety of shades in just that one pack, so that's going to go a long way. I got a couple of twine. This is the ivory burlap string. I use so much of it, I don't really know why I haven't picked up the full roll yet, but when I open these up, I twist them around a Graphic 45 Staples tag, and then I keep them all in a bin so that I have all the colors ready to use, and I can just take off as much as I need and not worry about the rest getting tangled. So it also looks very nice in the bin with all the pretty colors. Black plaid I've got to have for my Halloween projects, and I wasn't running out, but I worried that I would, so I picked up another one. And this is really good for bows that have they keep their poof. I don't know what technical term to call that. They're very nice and poofy. And then here's some wrinkle ribbon. This is relatively new for Bonnie. It's a robin egg blue, so it's sort of a Tiffany blue, and this is great for smaller bows, and it holds a shape well also. So here is my selection that I picked up from Really Reasonable Ribbon, and if you want to see any of these products, I will leave a link in the description below so you can go over there and check them out. Make sure you have a look through the adhesives because I really think that's a good value for you guys. So if you enjoyed this video, give me a like, leave me a comment. If you're not already, I would love for you to subscribe. And as always, I'm wishing you a happy and productive day, and I thank you all so much for watching. Bye.